We're going to be looking into how we can use SVG and combining them with this FontAwesome we've been using. Now it isn't just a easy fix because we can't put icons inside an SVG because that kind of neglects what SVG is all about, so we need to actually do a workaround with this. First things first, we need to create our link to our what's it called, our FontAwesome library. So do a cdn FontAwesome, and you already did it in the previous video, so this will be fast. Click here, expand, and copy this line here. This line we need just inside our header tag in our CSS up here, so just below your style sheet you're just going to paste this quick big line in here. So now we're ready to use our FontAwesome. We're going to create our 5 that's pentagon up in our header here and put in this FontAwesome inside of it. So first things first, we need to create our SVG, and we need to assign a width to this, and I already pre-tested this, so of course I know the specifics, so height and width for 21, and that's actually just what we need in our SVG in this case. And then we need a text area as well, and this one we'll assign on the x-axis, and we're going to assign it 10 for now. Again, I tested, so I know, of course. And we're going to do this on the y-axis as well for 15, and then we're going to do the font size here. So this will be the size of the actual icon we use with FontAwesome. In this case I'm just going to add 10, and I'm gonna just do a short text so we can actually see what this is. So next part is polygon, and we need to assign a width to this as well, and we're assigning 20, and we're doing height, not do this all the time, height, and we assign 20 again, and then we need to do these points that we know, so we need to assign where each point starts. So in a pentagon we need 5 points, and the first one we want to start at 10 on the x-axis and 0 on the y-axis, and then 20 on the x-axis and 8 on the y-axis, and so on and so on. And I'm just gonna type this in and you can just follow. So change these around to see what actually happens when you do. Click save. I'm just gonna go quickly test. Oh, not that one, this one. So now we can see there's this FH here, which is just typed in, and we need to add our icon to this part here, but we can't just paste this in. So we can't just go in here, grab this, what they usually do, and just paste it in, because if we do, it's going to create it and show it, but it's going to put it outside the SVG because it can't put it in. So we actually need to do a little don't want to call it hack, but a workaround of this, and I'm going to show you in the next video how we can actually implement this into our newly created hexagon.